Home remedies are terrific for many things, but did you also know that there are home remedies for snoring? They are natural, safe and, best of all, they are free. If you are looking for the perfect home remedy for snoring, you are at the right place. Sleeping on your side is a terrific home remedy for snoring. Research shows that individuals who sleep on their back snore more often than side sleepers. Another good home remedy for snoring is to sleep on 2 pillows instead of 1. The additional few inches of elevation may help you to breathe better through the night, which may help you to say goodbye to snoring altogether. If you are an allergy sufferer, there may be a home remedy for snoring that you can use to also help eliminate your allergy symptoms. When airway passages become restricted, which is often the case with allergies, snoring is a possible result. Breathing steam from hot running water is a home remedy for snoring that is also great for opening the nasal passages and improving breathing. In addition, ridding your home of airborne allergens with the use of air filtration units can help to get rid of many airborne allergens. Many snoring sufferers, who are searching for the perfect home remedy for snoring, turn to anti-snoring aids for help. The Sleep Genie is one such device, which is doctor recommended. While comfortably supporting the jaw with its nylon lycra blend, the Sleep Genie holds the mouth closed to prevent snoring. The best part is that this anti-snoring device requires no medication, no invasive surgery and does not hinder the wearer's movement during the night. Another home remedy for snoring is weight loss. A combination of diet and exercise will not only help you to lose weight and lessen the chances of snoring, but will also promote a healthier lifestyle overall. Obesity is one of the leading causes of snoring, so consider shedding those unwanted pounds and your snoring habit in the process. This article is intended for informational purposes only. It should not be used as, or in place of, professional medical advice. Before beginning any treatment for snoring, please consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis and remedy.